This is the SoloCinema Studio, a powered 5.1-channel surround bar with wireless subwoofer that engulfs you in high-definition surround sound without the need for 5 speakers. With definitive spatial array technology and 200-watt wireless-powered subwoofer that goes virtually anywhere in your room, movies and games become a much richer, fuller listening experience. Bluetooth with aptics lets you stream high-quality digital audio over any Bluetooth-enabled device, while near-field communication gives you the ease and convenience of simply touching your compatible Bluetooth device to the bar to pair and connect. The SoloCinema Studio's attention to fit, finish, and ease of use is impeccable and includes a supplied remote control that enables you to customize your listening experience. This is high performance, simplified.